That's Nancy yawning.
Oh no, you're recording me?
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
So today is December 6th and this is gonna be our first vlog.
Yeah.
And I'm over here. And do we have a name yet for our channel?
No,
No.
we don't.
It's gonna be something like JanCy, kind of like our radio show that never really got started.
Oh! Well, that's probably true.
But anyway, it's raining today. We're supposed to do a photo shoot and show you guys, you know, like our edited pictures, but I don't know if we can do it. We'll see. We'll see if we can do it.
Yeah. So right now we are
Driving.
yeah, we're driving.
Take it right here.
Oh no. Sorry, babe.
Asian driver, no survivor.
For reals. Okay. I think I'm like way too close, so.
I think you can go farther to do that.
Oh, there you go.
But yeah, we're driving to go get Nancy's shot.
Yeah. So yeah, it's my allergy shot. So I have to get it.
Rabies shot.
My rabies shot. Excuse you, babe. So I have to get these shots 4 times a week. It's gonna be my 3rd day, and then tomorrow is Friday. Oh, by the way, today is December.
We mentioned that earlier.
Did we?
Yeah.
Did we really?
December 6th.
Why am I always so lost though?
2018.
Okay, so tomorrow I need to get my 4th shot. Okay, so I'm trying to reach a total of 40 shots by the end of this year. I think
You should explain to them what an allergy shot is.
Oh yeah, so I'm like allergic to a bunch of things, and they have this shot where pretty much it's just like they put the stuff, the syrups that you're allergic to.
You want to make it right here?
Yes, right here. That you're allergic to, and they just like re-inject it into your body, just like with the flu shot. You know, like they inject like the flu shot. You know the influenza in you, so then your body can be immune to it. That's the same thing with the allergy shots. So I'm trying to be immune to, like, you know, whatever is like whatever I'm allergic to. Babe, it's gonna be on all of them. Look, babe, there's a rainbow. Oh, I gotta show you this.
Where is it? Make it right here?
No. Yeah, you can. Yeah, turn it right here. Oh my god, Asian driver, no survivor.
That's not where it is.
Okay. Well, there's a rainbow. I don't know if you can. I told.
Hold on.
Oh.
Let's go get that rainbow.
Okay.
Here goes the rainbow.
Oh, see, there's a rainbow. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell. The rainbow's right there.
Let's see if we make a left here. We'll be able to see it.
Oh, back.
Right behind the building.
Oh.
Did you stop recording?
No, I should, huh?
Hello, we're back. And Nancy's starting to have an allergic reaction.
Oh no!
Oh no?
I didn't know you were gonna talk about that.
Oh. Well, yeah, they increased her dose, so now she feels like she's gonna have some allergies.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see what happens.
I just like blow up. Well, my lips are itchy.
Oh no.
And then my arms.
You can have those puffy lips.
Yeah,
with
like my lower lip is very
Kim
itchy.
Kardashian, Angelina Jolie.
And then my arm's gonna get swollen again because that's what happened on Tuesday. They just barely increased my dosage this week.
Oh.
Yeah, on Tuesday they did. It's so itchy right now.
Okay, well right now we're gonna go look for a ramen place or
Yeah,
some
or just
restaurant
something good.
just to eat.
Yeah. Just something good.
Okay.
Give me a leg, babe. Give me a leg.
So we'll see you guys later once we pick our food place to go to. Here, see?
Oh, to make it brighter?
Yeah, so dumb. See?
Oh, so we have to do it again? I'm down to do it again.
Okay, so we ate at Brodard's.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Vietnamese
Restaurant?
Vietnamese restaurant. I don't know. I
In
think
the
it's the
OC
best. I think
area.
it's the best Vietnamese restaurant I've ever been to, so
Oh,
far.
really?
Yeah.
They're well known for their spring rolls.
So good.
Yeah.
And it's owned by.
Oh,
Is it still owned? By?
mm-mm.
Used to be owned by.
No, it's just her fam.
Yeah.
Her family. But it's not her, it's her
I didn't say her.
Oh.
I didn't say anything
I don't
yet.
want to make any statements that are
I
not.
didn't say anything yet.
Okay.
It's owned by Gina Darling's family.
Well, that's what she said. I don't know if it's
Well,
true.
that's what she said.
Well, yeah, that's what she said. Because she
Doesn't
said
matter.
that her grandma used to make the secret sauce and then gave the recipe to her aunt because her aunt asked for it, and then like her aunt started making the restaurant, and now it's a hit.
You're a hit.
No, you are. So what we ordered there was the spring rolls.
The pork, and then
Yeah, the barbecue pork.
we got some to go as well.
Oh.
Shrimp.
Yeah,
Shrimp
we to
spring
go
rolls.
shrimp so we can eat it in the movies.
And we
And-
got the soup.
Yeah, and that one's called bankan.
That one's bomb.
Pretty good.
But
and
this right here
Yeah.
is our dessert.
Yep.
It's matcha flan.
Yeah, it's not any ordinary flan. It's matcha.
I'll try it.
Alright. You want to try it first?
Sure.
Okay.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
Going all the way down.
Because you gotta get the full effect. I mean, is it good?
Interesting.
Oh no! Ah, come on!
Interesting.
Does it taste like matcha? Okay, I'm just gonna try it.
That's pretty good. Oh, more. Oh, more.
It is interesting. You do taste the matcha.
Good. Okay. Now we don't know where to go.
Yeah, we're trying to beat traffic, so
I'm not trying to beat traffic.
Are
Sorry,
we-
too late.
we're trying to let traffic pass.
And we're trying to watch Bohemian Rhapsody
Yes.
later after traffic.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Deuces.